Okay, this is my tea kettle boiling. This is asparagus, and this is green beans. And there's the asparagus in the tea kettle. And there's the green beans in the tea kettle. Why am I using the tea kettle? This pot, it just doesn't get hot enough. The water temperature, the steam temperature is just not hot enough to steam to steam the beans so that they're steamed but not too soft, but cooked but at a higher temperature. So I figured 1500 watts of tea kettle heat will steam it, cook them, because it's more power than this. There we go, look at that boiling there. So I'm going to take one out and try it and see how it is. Perfect right there. It's about 3 minutes or something, or thereabouts. So now into the sieve. So there's my steamed beans and asparagus. There we go. Steamed beans and asparagus. Lightly steamed.